It is 7:22 a.m. on 15th of August 2024. Happy Independence Day. And I am where you predicted me to be if you've been following this page for a while. And it is heavily barricaded and secured because nothing says independence like armed gunmen and barricades telling me exactly where not to go. I know I gotta shape the buzz. I know some comments are going to be like talking about the haircut, at least the way it looks in this exact form, if you will. But anyway, the reason I'm making this video in the morning on Independence Day is because it's kind of a tradition for me at this point, and there's a lot of people, so I'm gonna just return after the crowd passes. Like I was saying, there is nothing that screams Independence Day like barricades and armed gunmen telling me where not to go. You know, the thing that I've been working on in my free time. So essentially we expanded the scope of the research as to what the Nagrik project can find and achieve, and they're kind of what we expected. So the state governments and the union territory governments that don't have an RTI website already don't have them, but the ones that do have them have several problems with them. For example, the State Human Rights Commission is an authority that all the RTI web portals should have. However, we found that that's not the case. Nearly half the web portals that exist have no way to file an RTI with the State Human Rights Commission. And you can find these patterns with several autonomous bodies, the electricity regulatory commissions, state pollution control boards. For states like Assam, it's not been listed on the RTI web portal. And I've been chasing after states to make RTI web portals for the states that don't have them. But now it's time to chase after the states that do have them and haven't onboarded all public authorities. I'm hoping to publish something about it so that everyone can read at their own time as to what I'm talking about. And that's kind of what I'm here for. It's a specifically difficult Independence Day, especially to be proud of this country, because I don't know if you've seen the news cycle. So ask questions about it. Ask questions about why it's not a great time to be or trustful of the Nyay Pranali, especially when it's tasked with protecting us in government hospitals. And I mean, the way I'm dealing with not having a satisfactory governance scheme is by asking questions about it, because I'm just at the stroke of the midnight hour when India awoke. It awoke as citizens and not subjects of the state, which is why we got to take ownership and start auditing your government, especially when there's mechanisms present mandating how that architecture should look like. What I am doing as of this Independence Day is, since I've been chasing after states with letters ki sir RTI portal bana do please, aapka kaam hai, kar do, there's a Supreme Court order, if you don't follow the order you will be in contempt. When they don't listen to me, they have to listen to someone. So I'm taking the next logical step. And I don't really want to discuss it more than that, because authorities are looking into the matter eventually, hopefully, probably. So